The engagement of community and of citizens in the acquisition of data in the marine environment is very important, because the community science, the citizen science can really integrate the traditional observing system. They can integrate the spatial and temporal coverage of the data acquired for study, for science, for the marine science. All the data that are acquired by the citizens can really cover many gaps of the traditional acquisition of the data. And all this data can be really useful for the validation of numerical modeling, of for forecasting, and they can be applied to the digital twin of the ocean. So the marine citizen science have a very important role in the acquisition of new data, of important data for the science and for marine science.